1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, this is Rob at Lukat Detail. What do you do when your clear coat comes off like right here? Can you see that? Do me a favor. So we're gonna clean this up. I'm gonna show you something. If your clear coat, now step back so they can see the whole thing. So the clear coat went bald. It's bald on the hood, it's bald on the fender, but it still cleans onto the sides. What you wanna do is clean it, not wax it. Now come on over here so I can do a close up. Look how brittle this clear coat is. Watch this. Can you see my finger now? Okay, look at that. See how it comes right off? So you guys can use like a, you don't even have to sand it. All you have to do is use like a kitchen scouring pad, and that alone right there would do it. Okay, so you can do that, you know, break it down with the kitchen scouring pad. And then you want to use this. This is called Lukat Fix It. This is a color and gloss restore polish. All you have to do is put this on like this and just go back and forth. There's no wax in this product. It's not for shine, it's for cleaning. So this is going to remove that oxidation that's on the exposed color base coat, but it's not going to remove the paint. So this is a cleaner, not a cutter. Look how beautiful that's coming out. So use this to put the shine back in your paint job. This is a cleaner. You use this to fix the paint. Lukat Fix It. It's a paint cleaner. Get yours today. Use a scouring pad to do this. Take that off and just polish it. So check us out at lukatdetail.com, guys.